Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about collision. So basically collision, they can be divided into elastic and inelastic collision. So let's first talk about the elastic collision. So when we talk about elastic collisions, imagine these two objects, they are having collision and both of them are rubbery. So rubbery, elastic, they are almost the same. So imagine if two rubbery objects that they collide with each other. For example, the first ball and the second ball. So the first object collide with the second object. Maybe the speed over here is faster, so it collide with number 2. And then what will happen is this object 1 and number 2, they were still moving, and then they are not bind together. That's why this is called elastic. So the difference is between elastic and inelastic is, in elastic collision, after the collision, both of the object will be separate apart. So in contrast, the inelastic, for example, this is object number 1, object number 2. Imagine, for example, this is a bullet. Then this one is the wooden block. So when the bullet go and then embedded inside the wooden block, so hence this wooden block and the bullet, they will move in the same velocity because they are already embedded. So in this scenario, number 1 and number 2 object, they are moving together. So this is what we call inelastic collision. So we also have to know how to calculate the momentum. So m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Since they are not bind together, the velocity are not the same. Okay, so for the inelastic collision, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 plus m2. Okay, since they are combined together, the velocity will be the same. So what is the difference between the elastic and inelastic? So we would like to compare it. So in terms of the momentum, the before and after is the same. In inelastic, the before and after is same also. Number 2 will be the total energy. Before and after, same. Before and after, same. Due to what? Due to the conservation of energy. However, the kinetic energy will be different. So in this case, it will still be the same. However, in inelastic collision, it will be different. So the before that will be greater than after. Okay, because after the collision, some of the energy, some of the kinetic energy is converted into heat, sound, and etc.